Hi, I'm Tim, the Cheap 3D Printer. I have printed with a lot of different filaments. You can't see it, but above these printers is an entire shelf of filament. It's completely full of filaments that I've bought, that I've used, that I've tried. PLA, ABS, PETG, different things that I've tried. And I've had a lot of ones that I've liked throughout the time. But I came across a filament that I absolutely love, and I wanted to show it to you today. It is a filament from Vilarox. I believe that's how you would pronounce it, Vilarox. And it is called Black Silk. Vilarox Vilasilk Black Silk. And it is absolutely amazing. We all know that I love to print things cheap. That's why I'm the cheap 3D printer. And there's a lot of other filaments out there that are good filaments. Protopasta and some of the more expensive brands that are absolutely wonderful filaments, but they're not cheap. This stuff was cheap. I got this on Amazon. It was $9.99 a roll, so it was cheap. Maybe it was on a special. I'm not sure. But $9.99 a roll, and it has produced some just absolutely stunning results. When I first got it, I printed this cloth vase. You've probably seen this vase before. It's a really cool vase, but it just looks absolutely stunning, and was really, really impressed with it. So my wife asked me if I would print her a Bulldog. She is going to be the vice principal of her school next year. Their mascot is Bulldog, so I printed a big Bulldog. The model originally comes with a base on the bottom, but I just lowered this down on the build plate in Cura so I could get rid of that base because I just wanted the Bulldog. Now, this model had a little bit of a problem in that I printed it at 210 degrees, which is the temperature on here, and it had a little bit of a layer adhesion problem right here on the bottom. You can see I am now missing the bottom. When I pulled the supports off, that entire section of the model came off. Now, to me it's not that big of a deal because this is going to be placed on a desk and as a showpiece. It's not going to be one that people are going to pretty much pick up and look around. But this is a just gorgeous, gorgeous Bulldog. It turned out very, very well. I'm just really impressed with how this filament turned this print out. All these little wrinkles and stuff, this is all part of the model. He just turned out really well. So, love this model. Then I chose to print T800 Terminator Indo Skull. Yeah, Indo Skull. And he's absolutely gorgeous. Stunning, stunning print. Now, I did have a problem with him, and it's a problem that a lot of people have had with this model. It's not a problem that's unique to me. It's not even a problem that's unique to this filament. It's just a problem that people have had with this model. And that's these two support structures that go here, or pipes, tendons, whatever you want to call these. The back two broke off. So I had a little bit of issue there, but other than that, this model is just gorgeous. This will be a showpiece in my office that I'll be putting up, and he's just so cool. And once I put him up and put him on my shelf, no one will even see these back struts, so they won't even know that it's missing. But he just turned out really cool. There's a little bit of there's a pretty steep overhang here. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit sagging down here, but it's a cool model. Love it, and love it printed in this black silk. Then I printed one of my Morse code keys. I print these, I sell these on Etsy. They're a nice portable Morse code key for ham radio operators, and they're nice and lightweight and easy to use. And so I decided I wanted one of my own, but I wanted it in this black silk because I wanted it to look just stunning. I mean, if I get to print one for myself, I'm going to print, you know, what I want, right? I'm not selling this color. This is just something for me, but it turned out great again, and just lovely print. And so I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know if it's still available on Amazon. When I ordered it, like I said, it was $9.99 a roll, and I printed with the first roll. Loved it. I'm almost done with the first roll. So I ordered a second roll, and I ordered a third roll. And tomorrow in the post office, there's supposed to be 3 more rolls of black silk filament coming for me. So you might say that I love this filament. It's my favorite filament right now. And I'm sure that I could probably find some even greater filament if I was willing to spend $30, $40, $50 a roll. I'm not willing to spend $30, $40, or $50 a roll. This is $10 a roll. This was $10 a roll for silk filament. It's just absolutely stunning. It's wonderful stuff. So I'll put a link down in the description if I can find it on Amazon again. They might be sold out, but I will put a link on the description for you for this black filament. Black filament, not filament. That's silk filament combined together. Black filament. So if you'd like to buy a roll, you can certainly get it from there. But wanted to share with you my favorite filament for right now. I'm sure that something will eventually take its place, and something else will be my favorite. But right now, Vilarox black silk filament is it. That's all I got for you today. If you like what I'm doing, hit subscribe below. Maybe hit that like button for me, that thumbs up button down there. And there'll be an affiliate link in the bottom for GearBest. If you find a printer that you love, if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, that would be great. It would be no added cost to you, just a little bit of kickback to the channel. Everything that comes in from that goes directly back into making this channel better. Like I said, if you like what I'm doing, please hit subscribe, hit the like button. Other than that, keep printing and keep printing cheap.